गोयचे लोक 1961 पोर्तुगीजाच्या दगड मुस्तींतल्यान धापटशाहींतल्यान मुक्त जाले. स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांनी गोंयांत बलिदान दिलें. आय एम प्राउड टू से that freedom fighters helped Goa to liberate in 1961, whereas today I understand that the Portuguese Prime Minister is arriving Goa on 11th. I heartily congratulate him and also request him, after reaching Goa, he should apologize each and every person of the Goa. The way Portuguese destroy Goa, their temples, their bridges, while going to Portugal in 1961 beginning. The people of Goa do not forget this, and that is the reason it will be highly obliged if he apologize the public of Goa. I request him, after arriving in Goa, he should first apologize the public of Goa regarding the action taken by Portuguese in the beginning of the year December 1961.
Protest by MGP on his arrival.
See, being a son of the soil, the person who is arriving in Goa, we should not protest against. We also congratulate, MGP also congratulate him. But in the same manner, you should also make an apology towards the destruction of Goa.
गोवा सुरक्षा मंचाकूय सुदीन आणि मोगोची भूमिका मान्य.
ना आम्ही ओपनली त्याचे स्वागत करूच शकना. आता केंद्रान त्याचे केंद्राचो गेस्ट आसा तो, आणि त्यामुळे आम्ही स्वागत करू शकना आणि इतलेच त्याच्यात प्रतिक्रिया देऊ शकता. धवळीकर बाबांनी सांगला की आम्ही त्यांनी माफी मागची, इतलेच.
तर तुम्ही एग्री करता माफी मागची?
डेफिनेटली.
कोस्टा झालेल्या याला जबाबदार प्रत्यक्षपणे आहेत असं आम्ही मानत नाही.